In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can chat with AI using your Phoenix browser, and also how you can chat with DeepSeek R1, which is the Think version, using your Phoenix browser. So it's been integrated in the app. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So now to do that, let me drag this on here, and you can see I tap on the AI on here. Good. So already by default, we have the quick answer selected. So you can type hi here. This is my recent searches. So ask it a question. Let me just type hi here. And you can see I'm using the default one, which is the quick answer. So it's going to give me some answers here. So now let me come back here, normal, and you are going to see my recent searches here, which is the hi. You can see hi here. Now to change our AI to DeepSeek, let's tap on this quick answer. Now let's choose DeepSeek here. And now let's come here and let's give it an answer. Let's give it a question. So let me type this, React Basics, and now let me send it. Good. And now let's wait for the response here. Good. So you can see if you use DeepSeek, you are going to know this is how DeepSeek answers questions. So yeah. So the person is based in Ghana, asking for React Basics, blah, 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 blah. So this is a background something. After that, the real answer is going to come. So that's it on how you can use AI and DeepSeek on your Phoenix browser without downloading DeepSeek. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So now let's wait for the final answer. DeepSeek is very slow, but the answer is always accurate. That's why I love them. And you can see here, they're going to explain everything I need to know about React Basics. So that's it on how you can use AI on your Phoenix browser. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel once again. And that's it for the video. Peace.